just don't want to be bothered. They don't want to be bothered with you, and they damn sure don't want to be bothered with nobody who ain't giving them some money. If you dealing with a Leo, you got to understand that Leos live in their own palace. They are not the king of the jungle for no reason. So if you dealing with a Leo, you just got to understand that they just rather be by themselves most of the times. And when they want to be with you, they're going to be so affectionate. You're going to be so surprised, because a Leo can give that unforgettable, honest, true love. But they prefer to be by themselves 9 times out of 10. Anytime I dealt with a Leo always loved me the best way possible, and they give me the attention when they in my face. And when they not in my face, they focus on them damn self. They don't got time to be sitting here playing with nobody, okay? So they're going to tell you exactly how they feel and when they want to be bothered. You just got to be open to receiving that type of love when you're dealing with a Leo, because a Leo is not the fuck want to play with you. And one thing I love about a Leo will cut your ass the fuck off, and you never getting a second chance. They don't care. They will give you the blank stare, and they will keep moving. And it's not even hate behind it. It's just a situation of, I love you, but you did too much. So go ahead about your business.